up, guys? The Moving Junk Guy here, back again with another video. Hope you guys are killing it in business. Hope you guys are enjoying life, and I hope you guys are growing in 2023. I hope you came in ready to execute on these goals that we had for 2023. I'm hoping for 100% increases in business, 50 times, 20 times. Whatever is big and significant for you, I hope that you can accomplish. I hope this channel is beneficial to you guys. If it is, support the channel, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, comment, and I'm gonna keep on putting out good content for you guys. So today's video, I guess you could call this the marketing series, the lead generation B2B series. But this right here is something that I like to tap into a lot. If you're a millennial like me, or if you're someone who is very tech savvy, I guess, quote unquote, or just not even tech savvy, but just being able to, moderately go. This is the funny part. This could work for anybody who goes on any type of social media. But this social media channel I'm talking about today is Instagram, IG. I know you guys like to go on IG for the pictures, the videos, the likes, the reels, the shares, the shorts, all that cool stuff. But it can be a powerful resource in your business. And I'll explain to you why. So the Instagram portion that I'm talking about is IG is real big because of the fact that if you go on IG, you can go to the search bar and you can just type in hashtag house cleaners. Bang. You'll find all these different people who on their pictures, in their captions, they'll put the house cleaner hashtag. Bang. That's a big market that you just found. If you just found that market, you can go follow that person, and then you can go message them, and you can make a connection for a commercial client. Now, if you want to freak it a little bit and get a little bit more in depth, some people put house cleaner Philly, house cleaner Montgomery County, house cleaner Pennsylvania, and then that'll narrow it down even farther. And once you start tapping into these different hashtags, you'll start to see the common threads between the different businesses that are using these same hashtags. And then when you go into those hashtags, you can go follow those pages and then message them and then make that connection that way. I can say personally, using this tactic, I think it's about 6 of my commercial clients have come from me, just a simple Instagram message. And those have been very lucrative for me. And it's free. In a world of expensive marketing channels, lead generation channels, Instagram is one that you're really going to want to tap into because it's free. You just go into I would hope that you have a Instagram business page, but if you don't, whatever. But you would just literally go into the search bar. You would click hashtag first, and then whatever you want to search for. It's not just for booty pics and twerking videos. This can really be a powerful resource for you to grow your business and take it to the next level, especially with commercial clients. But one thing I will caution you about, don't get discouraged, because sometimes people won't respond, and that's okay. Rejection happens, and you got to be okay with that. It's the same thing with cold calling. I would consider this warm messaging. Warm messaging is what I would consider this, because at the end of the day, you're responding to a post. You're responding to something that you found that they posted about. And that's okay. It's not like you're reaching out to the owner directly, or maybe the owner runs the channel, but I've found in my experience most of the time that's not the case. A lot of these owners of these businesses are pretty up there in age. They're of a different generation, so they don't really do the social media stuff as much. But highly valuable resource. Tap into it. Instagram has been huge for me. I'm gonna take my Instagram marketing efforts to a new level in 2023. I'm going to keep on attacking, keep on growing that business base with it. If you listen to my previous video about LinkedIn marketing, this is something that you can definitely couple with that, and just use it as a powerful tool. Like, if you're gonna do email marketing, which I believe is super powerful too, I'll do another video on that. You can couple all three of those together, and then if you tie in a phone call, that's 4 interaction points that you can have with one client, and you can open up that relationship, build that rapport with them. And that's what you want to do, because even if you don't get business with them right away, I've had several clients who now know my name, and then they reach out to me, and then boom, I get the business that way. That's how I landed one of my property management clients for my junk removal. So I will say this, make sure that you tap into Instagram. It is a very, very powerful resource for business. So make sure you do that. B2B marketing all day, B2B messaging. Make sure your Instagram though is tight. I wouldn't recommend messaging them on a personal Instagram, because you're not going to come off as professional, and these are professional businesses, so they want to work with professional companies. So have your Instagram page tight. Have your little bubbles, your little info bubbles tight, all your information that needs to be there present. Make sure it's tight. Make sure you got pictures that are good quality, posts, videos, all that good stuff, some examples of your work, so they know what to expect. So yeah, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. Make sure you tap into IG and start using it as a resource instead of just booty pics and twerking videos. So I love you guys. Make sure you tap in.